Hi, what's up, guy? Yeah, this is Lim Author. Yeah, come back again for this week. My trading review. Yeah, on 25th of October 2020. Alright, last week I've been missed out from the my trading review recording because my family have some new member coming in. Yeah, praise the Lord. That also I've been busy for a few days. Yeah, so alright, so this week come back again. Yeah, for the trading journey, for the review.
It serves best way to become a successful trader is to record down from scratches to infinite journey and goal from my personal perspective. Here is my real journey from a real person, who took the courage to share it with the inner trading world. I guess no one has done that before, so give me a thumb up to motivate this trader and his inspirational story. Let's play and go.
Alright, let's move on to the first counter, CAD/CHF. So this counter is the only one the counter that I'm making interest, minor interest profit. Alright, let's have a look for this weekly candlestick CAD/CHF. So CAD/CHF, you can see, yeah, for this week is still in the red candlestick within the big still within the big previous red candlestick body here. Okay, then secondly is a MACD 9 here, so still in the positive region bar here, and also this MACD line is a heading upward. So in terms of a long-term group and short-term group, you can see the long-term group is still very strong, and the short-term group is a trying struggling here and there. Yeah, heading upward and downward. Yeah, still undecisive. Yeah. Alright, so let's move to the daily chart. So daily chart here. Alright, here we go. So here we can see for this week the red candlestick have been retraced down until this support level. Alright, and also this MACD line here have been retraced a bit lower now to the negative region here, and MACD bar here seems is in the max of the region, negative region here. So yeah, to be confirmed next week whether it can be bounced back or not. Yeah, let's see how. Alright, so okay, so for the long-term group and short-term group here, you can see the crushing is from last week is a long-term group is heading downward here, and now it's still in expanding here. Alright, okay, so let's move on. Second counter USD JPY. So this one, the inter charges is a minor charges for 0.2537%. okay, so for the bearish crossover for this week candlestick, let's have a look. Okay, so you can see here, right, it's a really very crossover here. Yeah, most likely to be confirmed. And what we can observe based on the long-term chart here, this 104 is a quite strong level, been tested for a few times here, and will be retraced up and it bounce back up again here. Alright, then case for the MACD line here is still open again and heading downward here, and also this long-term group and short-term group is still similar way and keep as apart from each other. Yeah, alright, Okay, let's move to the more challenging counter. Alright, USD and OK. So USD and OK for the intra charges 0.78870%. Alright, so for USD and OK, okay, what we can see for this week is still red candlestick within the previous big body green candlestick here. So still undecisive whether move up or move down here. So further this we can see from this MACD line here is still in this negative region and haven't turning up, and also this line is quite flat here. Yeah, and long-term group and short-term group here you can see is quite narrow each other, and also they still haven't crashing yet until now. Alright, okay, so for the USD and OK, so USD and OK for the daily chart here, we can see this is the bearish candlestick group here all the way until this long-term group, then as a support level, then slightly bounce back and close with the doji here. Yeah, and also here what we can see MACD line is that the MACD line is a heading downward, and also the bar is a heading to the upward here. Okay, alright, let's move to the last counter, USD SEK. Yeah, USD SEK, the intro charge is the highest one, which is 1.0986%. Alright, then let's have a look for the weekly chart. So weekly chart here is look likely already closed over here, and is considered as a bearish crossover and to be confirmed by next week. So in these two counter is like it's a brother and sibling counter. Seems the trend is always correlations together. Alright, so take this as a reference, a major reference. Alright, yeah, let's be fast. It's a lot of disturb, but it's also a lot of joyful and happiness here. I've got baby disturb. Alright, so let's move on. So for this week daily USD SEK, what you can observe here is a bullish crossover during closing here. Alright, and also this MACD bar here still in the negative top region, and the line here is heading downward here. Yeah, okay, yeah, in terms of a long-term group and short-term group, okay, this short-term group consider is already fully enclosed lower than the long-term group now, and look like it's like start expanding here. Okay, alright, as conclusions for this correlation of major counter, nothing is perfect, it's a 50-50%. So all this USD and this one should be USD, yeah, JPY. Okay, let's double check here. Move to the correlation with major counter here. So we based on the Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CAD, Euro AUD. Right, all the counter that I'm holding here is a 50-50 correlations. So yeah, let's see what the market will reward. Okay, then finally, yeah, it's the conclusions for this week weekly profile performance. Alright, for this week, yeah, intro charges about $10 here, and been closing a small minor profit here. Alright, so total profit right now is 4328 compared to the interest charges 212. Alright, so that's all for this week. Alright, have a blessed Sunday. I see you again. Yeah, bye.